You know something? In the beginning, there was just a passion for cinematic video and the learning curve, and a platform to share that learning curve with you on. Now, there's 10,000 of you. Alright, now let me just get up and say I'm not a big fan of these type of videos where, you know, there's a bit of cheese sprinkled on the video. It's not really my cup of tea, but I do have to make this video. 10,000 of you have subscribed to the channel, which is just crazy, in a good way. I want to say a big thank you to everybody that follows the channel and all the work you do to comment on my videos, share them out. You know, I know there's a hell of a lot of you that are not subscribed that watch the videos, and that's fair enough. But that extra mile where you have followed and comment, that's helped me to grow to where I am, to be honest. So I say thank you to everybody that's been a part of that journey. So what now? What's next? Do I shut it down and sell the van, sell the cameras, and move somewhere where there's some white sand and permanent good weather? Or do I raise my game? What do you think? Comments below. Now, I did say, I know what I said.
Which is the Canon R6, and if the channel reaches 10k soon, then I'm going to buy one.
I've said sometime last year on this channel that if the channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I would purchase my dream camera, the Canon R6. We got one. I know what I said last year, that I would purchase a Canon R6 camera because that's a camera that I really wanted to aspire to and put in my collection because it delivered on everything I needed from it for the type of filming that I do. Problem was, it was, you know, £3,000, and with the way I buy wheels, yeah. Anyway, we're there now, so hello. Yeah, we've got it. We've got the R6 up in the place. Now then, this is not a camera video because everybody will just turn off right now before you go. I come through on that. However, truth is, I picked this sucker up last year and I've been shooting on it for several videos. If any of you noticed a change in the quality of my videos at a point in time, sometime last year, throw that down below in the comments. I'm not expected to see that coming because it's going to be too difficult. But this came into play sometime last year and I could tell you exactly when the videos changed. The quality of the footage is sensational from my perspective, being the fact that this is not my job. I am completely a YouTube hobbyist camera person-y thing. I don't even know the name of what I am. But this was what I wanted, and yeah, present to me. It absolutely delivers. And if anybody, some of you guys might actually have money where you say, well, R6? I got one of them in the back of the cupboard. I didn't even know they were a thing. Well, if that's you, fair play. But for me, this is the dream. And there sure are cameras that will certainly outweigh this. But when this is your hobby, and you know, it's quite a lot of money to spend, it's absolutely ticking all the boxes for me. So in order to pay for this, there's a GoFundMe set. Just kidding, I'm not doing that. However, if you want one of these and you've just got money to burn, then I'll throw a link down below and you can actually purchase one on the Amazon affiliate link, and they will give me about 6p for promoting their product. But on a serious note, I'm just absolutely stoked to own this, and I cannot wait to bring the next chapter with this camera. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you so much, and I will see you sooner than you think. Take care.